subscribe, please. If you don't, I'm gonna feel uncomfortable. Whatever, let's get to it.
Whoa, what was that? Intro for what? Oh yeah, this is gonna be so easy. No, it's not. You know, I kinda hate you. Alright, I wanna go first because Opila doesn't even speak. I pick my homegirl, Nabnalina. I pick my homeboy, Nab. I pick Stinger Flynn because he's smart. And I pick Captain Fiddles because he's cute. Right then, the remaining people will be on Opila's team. No ways. That's just gonna jinx us. I swear on my life that we are going to win all the challenges. Okay, but I'm gonna hold you to that. Alright guys, who of us can run? I think the proper question is, who of us can run fast? Oh yeah. I definitely think it's Nabnalina. Wow! On your mark, go. Leaving Captain in last place. So by logic, of course. What? To Captain Fiddles refusing to participate. Bye, Captain. What the? He can walk? He could walk this whole... You guys! We brought you guys dinner!
Restart. Wait a minute. Please, it wasn't my fault. I didn't see that.
Gents, stop being annoying. Just go get your dinner from Queenbound Celia. Final round. Let me start the game. 15 points. 15 points each.
I have to restart it.
Shut the hell up. My catchphrase isn't die. What the hell, bro? You drink that? Random question. Who has the biggest room? Fiddles! Wait, you have the biggest room? What the fuck, bro? I'm like 5 times your size. I deserve the biggest room. No. Hey, if Fiddles has like the biggest room, who has the smallest room? He lives in a hole. No, that's just not right. I mean, mate. Liar! What? You don't think that's accurate. Wow. You're such a liar. How about every single time we play cards? No, actually, I do not have... I have a very normal head, as long as that guy doesn't win. Don't even remind me of the Gyphyrism. I still have memories of scratching my back with a tree branch. I still have memories thinking Ban was hot. Yeah, I do. Baka. I knew you were a bunch of dumb kids, but I didn't know that it went this deep. You still watch that? That shit is creepy, man. Stop, Fiddles. What is it? Question. What is on that hard drive that's... It's not fucking Yuri. Die. It's just fan art that I think is... You were sleeping! Shut up!
Here is a forgotten scene of Best of Opila Bird, or every time Opila Bird has been on screen. You know that video? And the Captain Fiddles crew.
Fiddles 4, Fiddles 7, Fiddles 8, Fiddles 10, Fiddles 12, Jumbo Pink.
So, yeah.